Hello, my friend. How are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well today. Feel free to let me know in the comments how you are doing, but I hope that your first week of May or the first weeks of May, because by the time I upload this, it'll be around the second or third week of May. So I hope that your month of May has been going really well so far, and it's been very, very good. So I am doing look number 4 using the Fade into Hue palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert some music just to do the tutorial really quick. I don't plan to do a full face just because I'm not going out and I really want to focus on just the eyes. So I'll go ahead and move along with that. Okay, my friends, so I am officially done with this eye look, and I was going for more of a sunset, maybe like a sunrise eye look, and I really love how I applied the shimmers because I've been using a reusable applicator for a while, so it's been a long time since I've used my finger right here, and it works perfect for the lid and inner corner. And now I feel like I'm just going to be using my fingers now to apply shimmers. But this would be the finished look. I do find that the mattes are a bit powdery, so each time I dip into it and I finish using it, I do have a towel that I put the leftovers on, so that way it's not going to be completely messy if I just leave it there. And overall, I am loving this palette. I think that it works beautifully, especially if you blend a lot with the matte shades. And I can't wait to create look number 5, which would be my final series for this palette. And I could say that I will definitely be keeping this one for a very long time. So thank you so much for watching, my friend. As always, I really appreciate you doing so, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. May God bless always. Take good care, be safe, be well, and I am wishing you a good day or night whatever time you're watching, and I hope to see you in my next video real soon. Bye for now.